Hey guys, what's up? Stephen here, and we're back to another video on how to do something in Roblox Studio. So, on our previous videos, we tackled, in this playlist at least, we tackled about UIs. And the latest one we've tried is the text button. And now you might be wondering if there's any other type of stuff I can put on my UI that is not a button. And of course there is. And we're going to discuss it today, which is the text label. The difference of text button and text label is the text is a button and the text label is an actual label. Like this is what you use when you add title on your game or sorry, on your UI. I'm gonna show it on our text button on our previous video. We have to press here, maybe put this here, and it's the same thing. We need to press the plus on the frame so it's inside the frame, and then we're gonna add a text label. This, if you would notice, the difference is this cannot be pressed and this one is being highlighted. So on a text label, you it's not gonna highlight or anything. It's just gonna be a pure text on a frame. So let's add maybe change the size so it's not gonna adjust when you put it on mobile. And exactly what we learned on the text button, it's just gonna be the same. Maybe since we're gonna go to point 8, we're gonna use a title, and then point 2. This should be enough, or maybe that's too large. Let's just type in point 1. And then the same thing, we're gonna use, let's say, Vidoka 1, and then we're gonna change the label to UI tutorial. And then the same thing, choose the text scale. And another thing is we've discussed it on previous videos, not on the UI list, but you can change the background transparency of your frame. Let's put that to 1, and then let's change the text color to white. And one thing to add, this is both for text button and text label and text box, which we would tackle on next video. You can also adjust the text stroke transparency. If I perhaps use, what color do we use? Maybe red. Text stroke would be red. And if I make it 0, it's going to vanish. Same as the transparency above. And if I make it 0.5, you got a little highlight there, which kind of looks amazing, especially when you want that little light when you're kind of making some stuff and you want your text to be like appear shining on the GUI. You can use this stuff. So that's the text stroke color and the text stroke transparency. Let's This is the text transparency. This just the text, exactly the text. If you want to make it like a little visible or uh pure visible, you can adjust it. It's very similar to the background transparency. So that's it. And another bonus is the text alignment. This is also being used. If you notice, I have it on the center. This means it's gonna start on the center, and there are other options which is left. It's gonna start on the left, and also on the right. It's gonna start on the right. So if you notice, if I'm gonna add something here, it's gonna start from the right. It's gonna automatically calculate with the same fonts on how long it would go. So it's all right if you prefer the right, but I'm more like a center person. So let's go to center. Sorry, yeah, that's that's more like it. And the Y alignment is of course the Y alignment. That this is usually used for bigger UIs. Let me give you an example. It's top to bottom, then bottom. That's how it goes. This is usually used if you're gonna go on a coding and you just need the frame and you want it. Just need that little push on the upper part. You can go to the top, or if you just want to stick on the center, just stick on the center. But I prefer to limit my UIs to where I want them to be, then separate it. But you can like experiment on it, whichever you prefer. And of course, all people have like those design artistic value, or they see a different thing. So yeah, feel free to play with it, and I hope you find value on this video that we got. And if you like it, please press that like button and subscribe to our channel. We upload daily. And if you have any question, comment down below. If you ever need help, comment down below, or you can also visit us at pearlemongames.com. We create games for people. So visit us, have a chat with us. Catch you on another video. Bye bye.